Ever wondered how astronauts breathe in the vacuum of space? How is oxygen, the elixir of life, produced miles away from Earth? It's a captivating question, isn't it? To survive in the vast cosmic ocean, astronauts need oxygen, just as we do here on our home planet. But there are no trees or plants to produce this vital gas in space. So how is it done? The answer lies not in nature but in human ingenuity. In the weightless environment of the International Space Station, astronauts rely on a revolutionary piece of technology to generate oxygen. This device, known as the Oxygen Generation System, or OGS, is their literal lifeline, transforming water into breathable air. So, how does this remarkable system work? How does it manage to produce oxygen out of thin air, or more accurately, out of water? The answer to this intriguing question lies in the heart of a device called the Oxygen Generation System, or OGS. So what's the magic behind OGS? How does it produce oxygen in the harsh conditions of space? Let's delve into the captivating process that occurs within the Oxygen Generation System. The journey begins with water, often delivered to the ISS in its liquid form. This water is transformed into vapor, ready for the next stage of its journey: electrolysis. Electrolysis, an intriguing process where electricity is used to split water molecules into their constituent elements, hydrogen and oxygen, takes place within the OGS. As the electric current courses through the vapor, water molecules break apart, setting free hydrogen gas and the much-needed oxygen. Now you might be wondering, what happens to the hydrogen? Does it simply go to waste? Not at all. Instead, it's vented back into space, disappearing into the vast vacuum that surrounds the station. The oxygen, meanwhile, embarks on a different journey. It's released into the ISS's atmosphere, replenishing the breathable air within the spacecraft. To ensure a steady mix of oxygen throughout the station, enhanced air circulation systems work tirelessly, providing the astronauts with the oxygen they require to survive. This process is a lifeline for astronauts, providing them with the oxygen they need to survive in space. It's a testament to human ingenuity, ensuring that even in the cold, silent void of space, we can generate the very thing we need to survive: oxygen. So, the next time you take a deep breath, spare a thought for the remarkable journey of oxygen in space. It's a wondrous voyage, beginning with plain water, then transformed into life-giving gas through the marvel of electrolysis. Aided by the Oxygen Generation System, this essential element is dispersed throughout the International Space Station, ensuring the survival of astronauts. Thanks for joining us on this fascinating journey into the mysteries of space exploration. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing insights into the cosmos.